ye be swingi normal kakra no on do mo ba ha kakra na ye kakra na ya no ma be say ne kakra. Look at Central Region now.
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
And say we boy ya wo we da bia me kana asem de example na busia fo fa nchem de minim say eyewu nkwa asem nye se me kai mo ya sa say 30 man south today
Guy no. Yeah.
Guy no. And say si ya na e say du nketie ka say na ye boa no wo he ebusia fo mo ye de.
Oh, if you nyamisha what minia.
Bra. Me that be asem we me kai. Me I was
And they are going to show some people say yes, and this politically. So when they say it is politically unwise. Say after 2 years to election, move a message be my position and can bet my call on oppose. Now come become one boom. No matter formidable force, no. But Nanado has always said the battle is of the Lord.
So almost say for swamp for free Eastern Regional or ya chimfo ni bi. They say they are
Of course.
They say that we are chini bi Ghana woni the enemy o. Yempe wani mu kura we are chini both parties. Yempe wani mu.
And you know, NDC no ewo ho no. What me say, ye can MPC asemi bra. Sa constituent no, omo na to abama omo, they know them say ye Jimmy for ye ni de wan so de wa no no, ma Jimmy so de wa no no. Obende. And they will never face them with questions, relevant questions. Constituency be a Ghana be a nyansafo no edo so cha Jimmy for no. NDC can never be an MP.
Yeah.
Opa Makano, do your cross check.
No correct.
Constituency be a Ghana be a nyansafo no do so chain a Jimmy for no. NDC don't win seat there.
No, they can't.
They can't.
Entina,
uko keta. Uko one we are now asemna kwechu bi but the tear so it is what it is. Minim say nyamu nyina na mo ya NDC for di wo de wo keta me ne NDC for na ekasa. Majority side na ekasa.
Asama fie kan ye no kuro. Se ukọ nkuro eni nkuro ase na. Se wo pa NDC ne ahu na apart from money des no. Se wo pe common citizen NDC ne a fie a aye basabasa na you see the Mahama flag, Mahama poster.
Who pen this in here Kenyan Sasem? Who dear? Who come baby now per se? Who say my better NDC for ma Kenyan Sasem never no reaction. I wanna who say ahanye. Enti Keta ama NDC abegina parliament age Keta see defense hu sika kodi Keta for my yedin MPP baya mo se one man miss and I be see defense my
na I for na we na ba no 2020
and then make can until I see baby Jimmy for the door so miss until make can
I don't know what is wrong.
What the Opa, bra, Opa making checking every. All the 3 regions no make you almost say they pro NDC no. They are the most poverty driven regions in Ghana.
That's facts.
Region bio you know nimsa me pro NDC biano. Ye can hear boto Ghana e honey free.
Yeah.
Midaminianum Central Region I say. In fact, before no more ho and no ye kind of moka home. Or more your imagine say ye
on the head say no outside the box thinkers. I hope that is not an insult. I hope say that is clean. Said there be idea crab make okay. Na obi find the BB or the better me too. There be o dear mamen coca. You know, it come back to what you were saying. Please continue.
Oze nyansani biano or bekasa intina mpanifo say dwene wakasa. Asema meka we so beka say ebeye say. Won wusi na ye wo 3 months wa bekasa. But ye nuano mo de. I saw wutu sufia to agu. We yanhwe baabi ekogu. Wo ba ya no wasiu no ma wie sufin wutu agu a wo sa akɔhwe baabi ekogu. Se ho ya na se ho ye twiawo Just like that. No my beto. And like I was saying, from 1992, Bepim ne and Crawford no muni or Moankasa internal election results for muni da ho. No maba benya general election. Now, the entire many abri watch a chuchi kataso ne say, Papa Penny baby uncle what do they and Penny for say or Penny 3 years kuma. And think ye konyansa ho atwe ne penyansa. Ye twa ye ninanke ye hwe chuchi kata. Enka wu twama. Ye be boss papa mpacho ye penchiremu ewo nyansade hu nanso wo na wo abro no wo kire kwan a yemfa so embo oman no se de ye de kon ye ni case bia enti nkaka kire om se krache yawe ye ntena se asomdwe mu no wo se da bi papa panyo wo na wo tie se wo ye lawyer na me kan se law no ye 80% nyansa 20% written.
Yeah.
And you may know the constitution at heart, by heart.
But to apply it would be
application is different. When if you nyansano,
yeah.
If you nyansano, when I did application no echo.
Yeah.
And you do pray una one kasa from pro sadiani yet. Now two or more. Me say ye nya case bi ye call lawyer hono. Lawyer no ye no was mon kamunu krentem ye bi asam no so kire no. Asam a lawyer no ka say we out of court settlement. Enti moma ye ne nkrofo ne lawyer ne nkoka. Ye kan o moti ase a case die.
For food stamps to come and insult the vice president. We watch her sit in Alaska, to come and destroy the sitting vice president. So Sakwasi Freeman, Yembisa say, how far for market? Sometimes I don't want to give some of these non-entities power for them to feel say, oh, fellas, I don't want to do that, but sometimes they need to be mentioned for people to know, say, these are the demonic sons of Jezebel that they have been what? They have been anointed with evil. When they open their mouth, it is vile, evil. And they have two more appetite into umbu penny, koda, nyame, no. This is what they did. And I'm expecting the foolish Dr. Ren, the all host of them, including the fakes of nutrition or my pampas of one. I want them to comment. Because according to them, the dollar coming down was the thing to show that you were a good government.
That's right.
Now we have done that. Are they now going to sit in those cubicles they have? Are they now going to sit in those Tebe houses they live inside? Those shallow places they live and don't read and learn? To come and now say Dr. Baumia and Nanado, we are sorry for insulting you. A finance minister in your team, we are sorry for throwing you under the bus. Are they going to do that? No, they won't. You know why? Because they don't think, they are not smart. Number two, they don't read. Anything that is positive, they see it as negative because they were born out of nonsense, pain, and bitterness. Utie, woman, mamma, woman, papa, no, don't need and tell me they will one. Ain't in the bitterness, no, the time or papa, or mamma, and the didn't the more so because of crown, yeah. Now, Sebi, chairman, ye probi, I'm an ebidi di baumi atemwa. And can say stupid girl, what can you read there, right?
I know.
What can you read? What do you even know about economics? Like when we talk about the economy, what do you even understand about the economy? You don't know. Social media for and these people were talking. Chairman, and then may the record be ba Fatu Homami. I want you to bring the CD to dollar depreciation. The aye and sabri, you know, Mr. Wemafo. Mene will be magic do. Okay. Our listeners who are listening, share the page. Yeah, be magic do. Mr.